This is the phase 1 and I call this all right. So when you look around, life looks very normal, right? Everything looks as usual. But when you look deep into eyes, you see that there is some kind of struggle going on. It could be an internal struggle or it could be an external struggle. We all have something in our lives that we are struggling with. Like it could be we want to change something, or we want to start something, or maybe we want to quit something. So we all have very unique struggles of our lives. Those who smoke want to quit smoking. Some are struggling to bring their life back on track. So it could be anything. It could be very small as waking up early in the morning that you are struggling with. Or maybe you want to lose weight, that could be a struggle. So like this, I also had one struggle that I had for a long time. That is meditation. I tried meditation many a times, but I always failed. And I feel that meditation is one of those things that everyone say that they do, but nobody actually does.
Also, when you search about meditation, everyone has different approach. Some say focus on breath, while some say just let it go through chanting. While there are also few people who talk about holding the breath. So I did many hit and trials, but still I failed in meditation. But I understood one thing, that there are 4 phases of meditation. First phase is noise. Second phase is awareness. Third phase is silence. And the last phase is bliss. So no matter what approach or path you follow, if you succeed in experiencing all these 4 phases, you succeed in meditation.
It's 9:30 in the night and I'm going for running. Not a very ideal time for running though. So normally I run 5 km, but today I will try to run 5 km extra, which is total 10 km. I feel that those who are into running could be easy for them. But those who don't, or who are beginner like me, running could be one of the hardest thing to do.
Activity started.
this is the phase 1, and I call this
So when you run what you can, most of that part is noise. First 5 kilometer of mine is noise, where my body and mind is out of sync. Body running and mind just wandering. Now this is the second phase. It's called awareness. You are aware of your surrounding. And as well as your body, you feel this intense focus. You can feel your breath, pumping of your heart. After this comes the third phase, which is silence, which is rare to experience. In this phase, you don't have to push your body anymore. You just glide through the air. You feel the body and mind in perfect sync.
Activity paused. Activity completed. Workout summary. Total time 1 hour 09 minutes 59 seconds. Total distance 10.02 kilometers. Average pace 6 minutes 59 seconds per kilometer.
This is the last phase. It's called bliss. Your body releases endorphins. You feel this peace and a sense of accomplishment. I think running feels like running when you run what you can. But when you run beyond, it becomes a completely different experience. Whatever I'm talking will mean nothing until or unless you go and try by yourself. If you never ran before, go and run 5 km. If maximum you ran 5 km, then go and run 10 km. If maximum you ran 10 km, then go and run 15 km. You will experience the true beauty of running.
all right, man. 10 kilometers done, and it really feels good.
When you run beyond what you can, running becomes spiritual, and it is the simplest form of meditation.